What's up, guys? I am so excited. I am back again, once again, with my annual giveaway. Anybody that follows me, anybody that shops with me at Jenn Boutique and Beauty Bar, anybody that supports me is up for this contest. Basically, only thing you have to do is comment your cash tag below. And, I took out, like, this is roughly close to 10,000. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to give away at least half of this to my supporters, everybody that support me. Drop your cash tag, and you already know the rest. You know what I'm saying? Last year, I blessed about 50 people. This year, I want to bless about 100 people. So, guys, if y'all want this money, only thing you have to do.
And that's motherfucking facts, okay? And that's all I'm gonna say on that. If y'all like what I'm saying, if y'all don't agree with what I'm saying, y'all make sure y'all leave y'all comments down below. Like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn your notification bells on so that you don't miss all the shade in the tea.
And it's just as simple as that. All you have to do is drop your hashtag below. That's all. And I'm about to run a 50% off sale on everything at Jenn Boutique and Beauty Bar. This is for the ladies, strictly for the ladies. That's my dog in the background. But strictly for the ladies. Because you guys say I don't do anything for you. You know what I'm saying? But you got to understand, I have like 97% male followers. So I have to cater to them most of the time. But these giveaways are strictly for you guys. And so the ladies say that I never do anything for them. This is for you guys. You know what I'm saying? You have to understand, I have 97% male followers. I don't know what that's about. I don't know if the females, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Y'all support me, like, my boutique. But, you know what I'm saying? Instagram, I get a little love here and there. But it's all good. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to do a giveaway for you guys, for single mothers, up-and-coming business owners. This right here, I took this money out for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Because I know how it is. I know how it feels to be entrepreneur, and you know what I'm saying, needing the funding to help find what you need. So this is strictly for you guys, and I just, it's just my appreciation and thanking you guys for supporting me. So drop your cash tags below. It's as simple as all right. Yeah.